gali si Kaiser Tikael, player sa Barangay Lemsnolon. Ang goal din namon subong kay makasulod sa finals kag hindi namon na mahimo kung why kami sang disiplina sa sarili, teamwork, trust kag confidence sa sarili. Mako gali si Kaiser Tikael liwat nga ginhimo sa captain ball sang Barangay Lemsnolon. Si Lawrence Bangon, salamat sa opportunity kag salamat sa mga barangay council, labi na sa barangay captain kag kay SK.
Hi, I'm Froilan Yato, head coach of Barangay Lemsnolon. This is my second time as a head coach of this team for the inter-barangay. My aim is to teach us, to build us, especially to dream and to reach the goal, to face the challenge, to enter the best of 4 or to reach the championship. My advice to Barangay Lemsnolon players that we need to trust and unity to each one of us, build confidence, and have a good communication to each other, and you must build good play in order to reach our goal. Ito lang po yung masasabi ko. Pag nasa isip nyo ang pagod, hindi natin makukuha yung goal. Pag naiisip ninyo yung pangarap, that is a one thing na makapasok po tayo. Medyo makuha po natin at dito sa puso natin, lagi tayong champion. Just we need unity, trust, and confidence, and make the best things and best game in your life, especially in this tournament.